Chrysler to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1975 Chrysler Cordoba. This particular car still has the 1975 title that was issued when it was bought brand new. So been with the original owner for quite some time. Original mile car too, a little over 28,000 miles is all in this one. Go ahead and take a look at this chrome, bright work, the grille. And then one of the cooler things I think on this car is check out this hood ornament, which is actually designed after an Argentine gold coin. This would have been Chrysler's upscale kind of personal luxury car. 360 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. If you want to see the still pictures, you can check out that engine bay. Take a look at this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Color of this is actually vintage red metallic, riding on the stock wheel covers. Yeah, those would be the standard wheel covers. And check this interior out. This is optional Castilian cloth and vinyl bench seat. Kind of cool. That 75 vibe to it. Dash not cracked, nice shape. We're gonna get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the interior a little bit closer. Paint shows well on this one. There are some imperfections here and there. I mean, the car is what, pushing 50 years old now. A little touch up right there, but you get an idea of how nice the finish is on it. But there's a few imperfections here and there, but one that'd be a lot of fun to take any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Not going to see a lot of these out there like this one. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get an idea of the chrome as far as on the rear bumper. Chrome and bright work shows great on this car. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side here, from the rear to the front. FYI, that 360 V8 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission. You have a few touch-up spots right here too that are done nicely. I mean, it does not stand out a lot, but there are few little touch-up spots there. So again, nice finish to this car. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Door panels, all original and what you'd expect, as well as the carpeting and that cloth and vinyl seat that we mentioned earlier. Free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner, all in good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. As far as AM radio, and then there is an additional down here, FM has been installed in it. And once upon a time, it looks like it had a CB, where there'd be a power inlet for the CB, and then the antenna also is underneath there, you can see. So may have had a CB in it once upon a time, which, that vintage. There's your exact miles, 28,239. Wipers do work. Read those earlier. And then again, take a look at this dash. Not cracked, sun baked, checked, anything like that. Good shape. Also noticed that clock was working earlier. You could hear it clicking. Now with the motor running, did not, but you can see the second hands there moving. Or second dial, I should say, not second hands. Interesting. No crazy exhaust or modifications, anything like that. It just sounds pretty much what you'd expect. 75 Cordoba to sound like. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look underneath that hood. Stock, clean, tidy. Again, what you'd expect, no corrosion. Yeah, shows its age a little bit, but again, look at the age of the vehicle. Now, in the still pictures, also have the fender tag, so you can basically decode this car within the options. You noticed over there, looks like it does have cruise control. And again, power steering, power brakes. Pretty stock, standard looking engine bay. 1975 Chrysler Cordoba. Still on the original 1975 title. Original model car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.